Guards at Russian oil depots equipped with anti-drone rifles are struggling to counter attacks by Ukrainian kamikaze drones. Russian commentators complain about the lack of any protection at an oil depot in Semlyansk, Russia, attacked by drones on July 13th. In particular, they mock the guards who tried to shoot down the drone using an anti-drone EW gun. Absolute shame. These guns at oil depots, oil refineries, and generally in the rear are completely useless against the birds used by Ukrainians. They can be shoved up the security's ass to make it more convenient for them to sit on their smoke breaks. And for those who bought them, was he just chattering on the phone, or was he passing on information about the bird? Didn't have enough money for a walkie-talkie? Interesting development in southern central Vovchansk, where Ukrainian forces managed to move towards the occupied city hospital and could be located only 100 meters east of it. A brief overview of Russia's offensive in the Kharkiv region. Dozens of destroyed Russian pieces of equipment. A destroyed Russian 2S-3 Akatsiya 152mm self-propelled howitzer by the 47th Mechanized Brigade. The BTR-3DA crew of the 95th Separate Amphibious Assault Brigade fires at Russian positions in the village of Severny, Donetsk region. The Czech Republic will transfer 50,000 rounds of ammunition shells to Ukraine this month and next, according to President Petr Pavel. Additionally, from September to the end of the year, Ukraine will receive 80,000 to 100,000 rounds per month. Bashkir volunteers from the Bashkort Company, fighting for Ukraine, captured a fellow citizen from their native region of Bashkortostan during the battles at Kharkiv region. The fighters told that many of their compatriots had already died in Ukraine for Putin's imperialist dreams, and that they fight to liberate their people from the fascist regime in Moscow.
Снимаешь? Да. Имя? Юнусов Даниил Искандарович. Громче. Юнусов Даниил Искандарович. Подразделение? 59-й полк, 5-я рота. Откуда родом? Город Уфа. Ты башкир, что ли? Да. Башкирский знаешь? Документы есть? Да. Руки убрал. Знаешь, что тебе ПМ сделал? Значит так. Передавай привет пацанам из роты Башкор. Привет.
Footage from the tests of the Bullet jet UAV that is reportedly able to intercept reconnaissance or strike drones and engage helicopters. Although its specifications are unknown, the video reveals the drone reached a speed of 130 kilometers per hour. The cost of a system, which includes 5 UAVs and a ground station, is $130,000. This is not the first attempt of Ukraine to create a jet drone, but so far there has been no mass use of them. This is a Spiegel report about a 49-year-old volunteer from Germany who has been serving as a sniper in the International Legion since 2022. Thought you might be interested in the report, so it's translated and added subtitles.
Unternehmer wurde bei der Bundeswehr zum Scharfschützen ausgebildet. Nach den Berichten über die russischen Kriegsverbrechen in Butscha und Irpin meldete er sich freiwillig.
Ich war vor dem Krieg schon öfters in der Ukraine im Urlaub. Dann im ersten Kriegsjahr bin ich 3 Monate als Volontär nach Kiew-Oberlohn gekommen und habe mich dazu bewogen, zu kämpfen. Das Land braucht jede Hilfe, die es bekommen kann.
Otto filmt seine Einsätze mit einer Bodycam. Er und seine Einheit kämpften zuletzt südlich von Chasiv Yar. Als Scharfschütze muss er seine Kameraden vor der feindlichen Infanterie schützen.
Ja, oh, one. Yes. Yes, one. One, finish, tot, killing. Ich töte Menschen, ja, aber sie töten uns auch. Es gibt ein altes Gesetz, im Feuerkampf gewinnt der was schneller und besser schießt.
Immer wieder geraten die Kämpfer unter schweres Feuer.
Klar, wir haben alle Angst, wenn die Granaten kommen. Wir gehen alle in Deckung und beten bloß immer, dass sie nicht gerade bei uns kommt.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.